is Red Feather from Grepacks. In this Krita video, we will be showing you how to create text and mirror the text in such a fashion so as it appears as though you are looking into a mirror or you have taken a selfie. Also, as a bonus, we will show you how to create white text and work through some Krita vector layer issues that could arise during this type of example. Open Krita, create a new document. For our Krita example, we will go for a mirror look. This is a pretty simple process, and as you can see, we have the example already laid out, but this is only to stress not to merge Krita layers too soon. This way, vector layer adjustments can be made if needed. So let's create some text. In doing so, type what you would like. Once this is done in Krita, being we will be creating a mirror, we need to imagine the size of the mirror and adjust the text size accordingly. Once you think you have determined this, go to the Krita toolbox, clicking on the Transform a Layer or Selection tool, and to the canvas, adjusting the size of the text. Once this is done, in the Krita toolbox, click on either the ellipse tool or the rectangular tool, as we did for our mirror shape. Then go to the color picker, choosing a color for your mirror border. Then to the Krita canvas, placing it around the text. Next, adjust the position of the text and size of the border of the newly created mirror border, if desired. So now let us adjust the color of our text to white. And just so you know, this is the bonus section. Notice as I click on the text, so as to edit the Krita text, the text editor is not responding. So, in the toolbox, let us click on the T-Text tool and go to the Tools and Options. But as you see, even clicking the Edit Text gives no response. The reason is quite obvious, but a bit odd, as Krita recognizes the text is there. So, let us grab our mirror border we have placed around the text and move it aside slightly. Then, click the text. If it does not respond, go to the Krita Tools and Options and click Edit Text. There we go. Go to the color picker of the Krita Edit Text window and change it to white. Click Save and then Close. Once this is done in Krita, go to Layers. On an empty paint layer, place your background color or scene, whatever the case may be. Highlight the vector layer that holds the Krita text, moving it back into the mirror border. Next, let's adjust our text so as it represents looking in a mirror or as if a selfie was taken. In order to do this, go to the Krita menu bar, click on Image, scroll down to Mirror Horizontally, and click. Once this is done in Krita, we can now reposition the text and border if so desired. Once this is done in Krita, we need to add a new layer for the background color of our mirror. Keep in mind, if you are creating such a mirror for, say, a scene clip, there may be other items you wish to reflect in this mirror. Once the new Krita layer is added, grab the new layer, placing it below the vector layer that holds the text. Let us shut off our background layer temporarily. This will give us a better view to work with. Next, highlight the newly created paint layer, then go to the color picker, choosing the background color for the mirror. Then in the toolbox, click on the rectangular selection tool. Go to the canvas, drawing a box inside the mirror border. Then in the Krita toolbox, click the bucket tool into the canvas, placing the color inside the box. Then to the menu bar, click Select and then Deselect. Now that we have our background for our mirror, we can now once again see our Krita white text. If for some reason you notice the mirror background does not go far enough one way or the other, just use the Krita Transform a Layer or Selection tool and make any needed adjustments. Wait a minute. Once this is done, look over the project. If no other vector adjustments are needed to be made and you are happy with the Krita project, you can then merge layers and make any further size adjustments before exporting. We know there are other ways this project could have been done, but we did this Krita example this way so as to show why someone may think edit text is not working. We hope you have enjoyed this Krita tutorial and found it helpful in some fashion, and if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber, ringing that bell in order to be notified your way of newly released videos? I mean, after all, ladies and gentlemen, it is free. The beginning and the end of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1. Thank you in advance. I am out.